I would have to say whales. I've been fascinated by them ever since I was a child. There's just something so majestic about them. Maybe it has to do with their size. Plus, they're highly intelligent and family-oriented creatures. It's believed that they even have their own languages. Not really, sure. It's interesting to see them, but I also feel sad seeing them in cages. In my opinion, wild animals should not be in captivity unless they have some sort of injuries. Actually, I think it's a shame that humans feel the need to see nature so badly that they cage them and charge people to enter. Not currently, I would say to, but I'm actually not allowed to because of my apartment regulations. Additionally, I live in a small studio apartment, so it wouldn't be the best environment for a pet unless it were a cat or a small animal. Moreover, I work full-time, so I wouldn't have a lot of time to tend to the pet. Yes, I did. My parents were both animal lovers, so we always had a house full of pets. My first pet was a lizard named Charlie, and I had a very old black kitten named Pom. Although I played too hard with my pets and made them annoyed, I still got a lot of joy from them. Additionally, I also learned a sense of responsibility from a young age. Yes, for sure, I would like to make their dreams come true of having a pet as many children want. Moreover, I feel a pet is a rare addition to a family. Lastly, I think allowing them to have a pet is a good opportunity for them to begin to have a sense of responsibility when it comes to working their pet, changing the litter box, feeding them, cleaning the cage.